Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a cover photo to your Facebook page on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're setting up a new page or refreshing your current one, a great cover photo is the first thing visitors will notice. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look for your profile photo at the top right corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the page you want to update. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. At the top of your page, you'll see your current cover photo, or a blank space if you haven't added one yet. Hover your mouse over the cover photo area and click on it. A menu will appear with options. Click on Choose Cover Photo. Now you can either upload a new image from your computer, or select one from your existing Facebook photos. If you're uploading a new image, make sure it's optimized for Facebook's recommended size. 820 by 360 pixels is ideal for both desktop and mobile, so your photo looks great everywhere. After selecting your image, you'll see a preview. You can drag the photo to reposition it and make sure the most important parts are visible. If you want to make further edits, such as applying filters or adjusting the crop, use the available editing tools. Once you're happy with how your cover photo looks, click Save Changes. Your new cover photo will be updated instantly, giving your page a fresh and professional appearance. That's all it takes. Remember, your cover photo is a powerful way to show off your brand or personality, so choose an image that truly represents your page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Facebook tips.